Hello everybody. Now we are going to cover this topic based on the calendaries there only. If any date is given, then you can calculate on which day, that date, which day was there. So here is, first of all, we must know about the years, and you know about the weeks, how many weeks are there in a year, months, these are the day, and the date is there. That is in a calendar, you know already. See, in a week, how many weeks are there in a year? That is depend on the year, because there is year may be the leap or maybe the ordinary year. That is also we will discuss. Months is there. How many months are there? That is, you know, that is 12 months. If we talk about the days, so days is also changed according to their month is there only. So year may be the leap or maybe the ordinary. So leap year कब होता है? If a year other than century is divisible by 4. If any year is given, that is divisible by, last two digits are divisible by 4. For example, suppose you are taking like 220. So the last two digits are divisible by 4. So it used to be a leap year. This is the leap year. First of all, we are trying to understand the leap year and the ordinary. If the last two digits are not divisible by 4, that is the ordinary year. What means ordinary year hai, and it's not a leap year. What is the difference is there? That is also we will discuss. So leap year may be there, or maybe the ordinary year. Ordinary means non-leap year, you can say ordinary year. The difference is here, in case of the leap year, the month of the February, there will be the 29 days in a leap year. In the month of the February, there will be the 29 days is there. But in ordinary, in month of the February, there will be the 28 days there only. So this is the difference is there. How come to know that it's a leap year or ordinary? Agar last two digits are divisible by 4, then you can say that is the leap year. Otherwise, it's the ordinary year. See now, in case of the centuries there, suppose any century is given like 1400, 1600, 1700, 2000, 1900, then how come to know it is a leap year or not? So in that case, you are supposed to divide by the 400. If it is divided by 400, अगर वो 400 से divisible है, तो leap year होगा, otherwise not. देखिए, 1600 is divided by 400, so this is your, you can say the leap year. This is your leap year, and this is also the leap year because this is divisible by 400. But these are not divisible by 400, so these are not the non-leap year. These are non-leap year, you can say, or you can say the ordinary year is the only. See. So in leap year, there are the 29 days are in a month of the February. Ordinary में 28 days होते हैं. See, in leap year, there is the 366 days in a leap year, and in ordinary, that is 365 days are there. So here, first of all, we will discuss about the odd days is there. Odd days क्या होते हैं? In a given period of number of days, more than the complete weeks are called odd days. Means the days which are not in a week only. Because in a week में कितने होते हैं? There is the 7 days in a week. 7 days is there only. If 1 week is there, that is means 7 days. So the days which are not in a week, complete week में नहीं आते. For instance, देखिए 366 days are there in a leap year. So there are the 52 weeks plus. See, this is your 364 days. 2 days are left. 2 days are left, which are not in a week is there. So these 2 days are known as odd days. So in leap year, there are the 2 odd days. Leap year में 2 odd days होते हैं. Similarly, here is 52 weeks. That is 364 plus 1 day is left is here. And this 1 day is the odd day of the non-ordinary year. So in a ordinary year, odd day कितना होता है? Which is not in a week. Week में नहीं आता है, because rest of the term numbers, the days are in a week. There are the 52 weeks in a ordinary year, and 1 day is left. That is known as a odd day. Here is the 52 weeks are there, but 2 days are left in leap year. So the 2 days are known as odd days is here only. Likewise, we will discuss in the if the century years में how many odd days are there. That is also we will discuss. Have a look. Yes, now we will discuss the finding the number of odd days in a certain number of years. If any year is given and you want to know then how many odd days will be in that particular year, how can you calculate it? See now. So first of all, इन 100 years दे आर द 5 odd days. इन 100 years में 5 odd days होते हैं. In 203, in 301, and in 400 years there is no odd days is there. 0 is there only. But how come to know this is 5 days are the odd days in the 100 years only. 100 years में 5 odd days होते हैं. See now look at here. If we talk about the leap year की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो just see now, suppose if the 2000 is a leap year because it is divided by 4, then 2001, then 2002, then 2003, then 2004 you are taking. See look at here. देखिए, this is your leap year. You can say this is your leap year because it is divided by 4. But this is not a leap year. This is not a leap year. This is not a leap year. Again, this is a leap year. This is. So it means what is going to happen here? Then every leap year comes after 4 years. Fourth year leap year होता है. देखिए, in 2000 में leap year था. Then 2001, then 2002, 1, 2, 3. Fourth year में again it is a leap year. It means in a 4 year you will get 1 leap year is there. So if we talk about the 100 years के लिए, if you are going to calculate, so there will be the 24 leap years. Just because after 4 year you are getting. Just see now, here is the leap, then again in the 4th year is your leap year is there only. So it may be the leap year in 2000. Now the leap year will be the 2004 is there. So that is 24 leap year will be there. 24 leap year है, so 75 will be the ordinary years is there because only because the sum should be the 100 is there. And this is already we discussed. हमने ये डिस्कस किया था. लीप ईयर में how many odd days होते हैं? 2. And 76 ordinary years में 1. So this is you are getting 48 odd days here. 76 is here. So that will be equal to 124. So 124 days are the odd days. But you want to know in this year how many will be. So what we will do? ये days को you are supposed to divide it by the 7 in a week. You know, in 1 week that is equal to 7 days. You know this is. So you are supposed to divide by this one. So 124 divided by 7. Just divide. Whatever will be your remainder, जो भी यहाँ remainder आएगा, that will be your number of odd days. Look at here. 7 से divide करिए, 7 1 जा. Then 5 will remain, 54. 7 7 जा 49. So that is 54 minus 49, 5. So remainder is 5. So in this remainder will give you the odd days. This is will give you the odd days. So in 100 years there is the 5 odd days. In 200, sir, you want to calculate for the 200 is there. 200 है तो 100 into 2. So it means क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into 100 में 5 is, so that is the 10 is there. But this 10 again divided by the 7. जो remainder आएगा that will be your the odd days. It will give you 3. 300 में देखिए, 300 में that is 3 into, क्यों 100 के बाद में 3 है, 3 into 5 that is 15. 15 divided by 7, that is your remainder is 1. So odd days is 1. In 400, see now here is the, in 400 there will be what? 4 into 5, that is 20. 20 is there. But this is a leap year. अगर leap year है तो whatever the number is coming here, उस number में you are supposed to add 1. In case of the leap, 21, and that is divided by the 7. You will get the remainder is 0. So here is the 0. So in the 400 centuries, then 0. In 300 is 1 odd days. 200 is 3. 100 is 5 is there only. This is. In the same way, if we talk about the, suppose days के लिए, if we talk the number of odd days associated to each day is there only. So there will be the table. Look at here now. In case of the, if the days are associated with the, this one, for the Sunday, number of odd days which are associated with the days only. So for Sunday, 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, Thursday 4, Friday 5, and Saturday is 6. This is. So these are the things which also you must remember कि days के according जो odd days होते हैं, Sunday अगर 0 आ रहा है तो that is Sunday होगा. अगर odd days 1 आ रहा है, it means there will be the Monday. If odd days comes 2, that is Tuesday. Odd days is coming 3, that it means that day will be the Wednesday. क्योंकि अभी we will discuss on this particular year, on that day, which day was there only, that is we are going to discuss. Means first यहाँ अभी तो हमें डिस्कस करना है कि how many days will be there. Later on we will discuss about the days also. So first we are going to number of days. How can you calculate if any year is given? Have a look. Yes. Now the question is there. Find the number of odd days in 1905. Means 1905 years में how many odd days? कितने odd days होंगे? That you have to calculate. देखिए, the solution we will discuss here. Otherwise, answer is already we know that, because this is a, here is the 1905. This is the year is there only. इस year में how many odd days will be there that you want to calculate is here. तो इसमें जो number of odd days आएंगे that 2 will come. Then how come to know? वो later on we will discuss. लेकिन we will calculate कि two odd days कैसे आ रहा है. Look at here now. So this 1905 you can break according to this one is there only. Remember. So 400, this can be written as, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 400 into 4, that is equal to what? 1600. 1600 इसमें आउट किया तो कितना बचेगा? That is in place of this one, then 1600 is there. You will subtract. So this is 305. These are the years. And remember, these are all the years is there. Then again it can be written as, इसको हम break कर सकते हैं 400 into 4 plus this is 305. 305 is there. So that is 300 plus 5. That you can take. This is there only. See now, in place of this one, I am taking that 85 लेते हैं. तो ज़्यादा we can understand easily the things is there. So this is 385. So this is your 300 plus 85 is there. This is in years only. So just see now, this 400 into 4, 1600 plus 300 plus 85. These are the years is there. See now. अब देखिए 400 years में what is your odd days? Number of odd days are 0. So this is 0 into 4 plus this is 300. In 300 how many odd days are there? 1 odd day. But this is your 85 is years. अब इस year में what will happen? Few will be the leap years, few will be the ordinary years is there. Now how come to know the how many will be the leap years? क्या करना है? You have to divide this one by 4. और जो भी whatever the quotient will come that you must write down. इसको 4 से डिवाइड करिए, जो क्वेश्चन है उसे यहाँ लिख दो. 4 2 जा 8, 4 1 जा 1. तो that is 21 will be the leap years. 21 leap years होंगी इसमें, plus you can subtract this 21 from here only. That will be your ordinary years. So 21 इसमें subtract करेंगे, you will get the 64 will be the ordinary years. Ordinary years. क्या करना है? You are supposed to break by the 400 into this plus this. This is 300 years. This is 400 into 4, 85 years. In 400 years, number of odd days are 0. So you must write down 0 into 4. In 300, number of odd days are 1. 85 years में कुछ leap years, कुछ ordinary years होंगी. तो how come to know the leap years? Divide by this one by 4. And you must write down quotient is here only. Simply 4 2 ja 4 1 ja. 21 will be the leap year and rest of the years will be your ordinary. So this is 0 plus 1 plus. In leap year, how many odd days are there? 2. That is already we discussed. Ordinary में कितना होते हैं? 1. तो ये now you are getting the days is here. So this is 1 and this is 42 plus this is your 64. So that you will get what? 86, 87. 87 days you are getting is here. This is 87. Not 87 is there. This is 42. Sorry, this is 10. So this is 107. 107 days are there. Now this 107 you are supposed to divide it by the 7 only to find the odd days. So 107 को 7 से divide करिए and whatever will be your remainder that will give you the total number of odd days. So 7 1 is 7, 37, 7 5 just. So there the 2 days are left. 2 days there only. So the number of odd days in this one. So therefore number of odd days in 1985 be 2, and this is your answer. So you can calculate the number of odd days in any one of the year. किस उस particular year में how many odd days will be there? That means in that particular year 2 days will be left out which will not be the part of the week. Have a look. Okay. One more question we are taking. Suppose your year is given to 119 years. You want to know the number of odd days in this particular year. इस particular year में कितने number of odd days होंगे? तो उसके लिए simply you must break 4 into 5. That is 2000. 119 years is left out here. You can break this one again. 400 into 5 plus 100 plus 19 years. These are all the years are there. See now, this is in 400. How many odd days are there? 0. Yes, already we know that. Into 5. In 100 years, how many odd days are there? This is your years. That is 5. Now you must check for here. So first of all, I told you, then you must divide it by 4. इसको 4 से divide करिए. जो quotient है ना वो यहाँ लिखेंगे. 4 for the 16. 4 times it is going. So it means there is the 4 leap years हुआ. And 4 leap years है तो how many will be the ordinary year? 15. Because 4 plus 5, 19 is there. Ordinary years. This is. So here is the 0. In 5 plus 5 is 5 odd days are here. In a 4 leap year, 4 leap year is there. So in a 1 leap year, how many odd days are there? 2. Plus in 15, in ordinary year, there is a 1 odd days there only. So how many will be there? 0 plus 5. This is plus 8 plus 15. You must add. So that is you are getting 28 days. Now you must divide this is by 7. So 28 divided by 7. So your remainder will be what? 0. So number of odd days in this year. So number of odd days will be 0. And that is your answer. So you can calculate the number of odd days of any one of the year by using this. Yes, now the second type which we are going to discuss, second type जो discuss करेंगे वो that is on finding the week day of a certain date. कोई भी date given है तो how can you find out the week days there? लेकिन उससे पहले few more things. जैसे for instance, suppose on the 2nd January the day was Saturday. तो 17 January को which day was there? 17 January को कौन सा day होगा? See now, if we talk about the days there only, कोई भी day है that is repeated by the after 7 days. 7 day के बाद वो day repeat करता है. This is already we know that. Just after 7 day it will be the same day will be repeated here only. And one more point is there. In case of the month of the January, then how many days are there in January? In February, you know that is February, then March, April, May, June, July, and similarly you can take like August, September, October, November, and December. See, in January there are the 31 days is there. In month of the February, that is depend on the leap or no ordinary year. अगर leap year है, non leap year है, तो there will be the 28 days. अगर leap year है, तो there will be the 29 days is there. In March, that is 30. See how come to know this one? So there is a way to remember the number of days in a year. Just take your this hand is there only. This top shows that 31 and this is 30. Except the February is there only. So if we take here only January, यहाँ से January ले January 31, then February is depend on the leap and on. Other than rest of the this one, ये जो down है ना वो 30 को represent करता है. This upper part is going to this one. Peak जो है ना वो 31 को represent करता है. So January, February, March 31. March will be here is the 31. January, February, March. Then April 30. January, February, March, April. Then May 31. June 30, July 31, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Then we will come here again. August is also 31. Then September is 30, 31, then 30, and this is 31 is there only. See, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December is there only. This is. So likewise you can remember the number of days in a month is there only. See now, one more point is here. You should be very careful about this month of the February. कि leap year है या non leap year है. That you must remember. पहले यहाँ देखिए, like on the 2nd January there was the Saturday. Which day will be on the 17th January? What is you have to do? Just take the difference. इनका difference ले लीजिए. that is 17 minus 2 because 2 days are already left. You want to know on the 15th January. तो difference कितना है? 15 days. 15 days is there. इस number को just you must divide it by the 7 and whatever your remainder will come. 7 2 ja 14. So your remainder is what? 1. Remainder is equal to, you will get is 1 is there only. And this remainder you are supposed to add in this one. So अगर today Saturday है, that after one day, what will be there? There will be the Sunday. You must add there. You must add that. So that will be on that day will be the Sundays there only. So likewise you can calculate. अगर हमें किसी भी month का कोई डेट दिया है, उस डेट को ये पर्टिकुलर डे है, तो you must calculate likewise there only. See, suppose another question we are taking. For example, suppose the question I am taking on 10th January. There was a Monday. Suppose weekend Monday, and we want to know then the which day will be on the 15th August. Suppose here this is the information is given कि 10th January को it was the Monday. Which day will be on the 15th August of the same year? We are not talking about the year is there only. तो यहाँ पर you cannot calculate. Then which day will be here only? That cannot be calculated because reason ये है कि the month of the February will come after this January. Then February is there. So it is not mentioned here only. That is the leap or the non-leap year. इसका मतलब ये है कि information क्या है? Data is not valid. Data is not valid. So you must know that only. अगर इसकी जगह पर year दिया होता तो according to that we can do that is there only. So one more question I will take जिसमें year given होगा. Have a look. Okay, now the question is 16 January 2011 को if it is Sunday suppose, तो 15 August 2011 को कौन सा दिन होगा? Which day will be on the 15th August 2011 is there only. Then how can you calculate it? So just see now, there the month is, you are starting from January then up to August is here only. We know then February. Just see now, this 2011 is not a, this is your ordinary year. Ordinary year. If you will divide by the 4 last 2 digits, it is not divisible. So this is the ordinary is there. So it means in the month of the February there will be 28 days. Ordinary year the 28 days will be there. See now on the 16th January, say on 16th January you are going to start. So in the month of the January, total number of days are 16, 31. 16 are already gone. So that is 15 days are left here. 15 are here. Similarly, all the days you must write down here. Then August up to you are going 15. So here is also you will take the 15 days only. So August में 15 तक जा रहे you will take 15. Now what we will do to know that day you must divide all these by the 7. सबको 7 से divide करें. Divide by 7. And their remainder you must write down. Just remainder. What will be your remainder is here? 1. Here the remainder will be 0. Here will remainder will be 3. Here is will be the 2. Here will be the 3. Then 2. Then 2. Sorry, here 3. And here is the remainder will be 1. This is. So these are your remainder. You must divide it by the 7 is there only. Just do the total of this remainder. इनका total करिए. देखिए 1, 0, 1. Then this is 4. 4 and 5, 9. 10, 11. 11 and this 4. That is 15. So total remainder is your 15 is there. Now you are supposed to divide this 15 by 7. So again the remainder will come will be the 1 is here only. 1 आ रहा है. इस remainder को you must add in this Sunday. तो अगर if you are going to add in Sunday one day, Sunday में एक दिन और add करेंगे तो what you will get? That is Monday. So it means on this 15th August 2011 Monday होगा. अगर if the Sunday is there only, because ये मैंने according to the this year I have not taken is there कि उस दिन Sunday था या नहीं, I don't know that. Simply I have taken अगर इस दिन Sunday है तो on the 15th August on the same year will be the Monday, and this is your answer. Have a look. See now one more problem I am taking. ये solution मैंने already I have written because ये वीडियो कुछ लंबा हो रहा है इसलिए. See now in 10th January 2010 suppose Saturday था. तो ऑन 15 मार्च 2015 को विच डे विल बी देयर. So simple is there. You must write down 10 January 2010, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is there. For the 10th January, 10 days are already left. 10 days to already here. So what we will do from the total 365 days must subtract this 10 only. You will get 355 because this is your non-leap year. This is your non-leap year is here only. Non-leap year. This is the last two digits, not divided by 4. So that is 365 days we are taking. And this 355 is there. Similarly. So this 355 divided by 7 is there. You will get the remainder is 5. You must write down the remainder. This is your non-leap year. This is your non-leap year. So non-leap year में how many odd days होते हैं? 1. This is your odd days. You must write down the odd days. This is your leap year. So odd days are 2. Non-odd days is 1. Non-odd days is 1. Now in this month you must count the number of days first. On the 15th March. So January में 31. This is non-leap year, so there will be the 28 in the month of the February, and 15 days is there, 15 March, this month. So 74 days are there. Divide by 7, you will get remainder 4. जितने भी ये odd days हैं, this is the odd days is coming here in case of this one. These odd days, you are supposed to add them. So your total is coming 14. This one, 14 odd days is coming, and that is again divided by 7. So your remainder is 0. जो भी whatever the remainder comes, that you must add in this one. So Saturday में 0 ऐड करेंगे तो it will remain the Saturday is there. अगर suppose यहाँ और remainder 3 आता तो Saturday के बाद we will count the 3 days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. You can say that Tuesday will be there only. 4 आता तो that is Wednesday. Likewise there you can do. Have a look. Now we will discuss then. If any date is given and the year, उस date में, उस year में which day was there, we want to find out the days there only. So for that one only few things are there which you must remember. First है हमारा the number of odd days associated to the each day. Suppose if the 1 is comes, that is for the Monday, 2 for Tuesday, 3 for Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday and for Sunday is 0 is there. For any odd days में अगर कोई भी this number is comes, according to that days will be there. Now the century code is there. Suppose 1600 to 1699. You are supposed to, your code is 6. Then 1700 to 1799 code is 4. Then likewise 1800 to 1899 is 2. Then 1999 is 0. Then 2000 again 6. Then 2000 to 2099, that is 6 is there only. Then 21 is then 4, 22, 2, 23 is 6, 4, 0 is there only. So these are the codes which you must remember. ये century code आपको ध्यान रखने पड़ेंगे. Which year is there only. Third is the most important is here. The code for non-leap year. For the month of the January, the code is 0. For the February is 3. For March 3. April 6. May 1, June 4, July is 6, for August 2, September 5, October 0, November 3 and December is 5 there. So these are the codes for the month only. For the months के लिए आपको ये you must remember this code is there only. But this is only for the non-leap year. Suppose if it is leap year is there. Suppose leap year है, तो this 0 will change into the 6. Now the month for the month of the January, the code will be, your code will be here, will be 6 and 3 will change into 2. So it will become a 2, then 2, 6 it will remain, this is remain same, 2, 5, 0, 3 will change into the 2, 5 will remain as it is. For the leap year is there only. So in case if the leap year is there, then this code 0 must be, you are supposed to take it 6, or if it is 3 is there only, then you must take the 2 is there. Now this is your question. कि we want to know on the 15th August 1947 को किस कौन सा दिन था. Formula is here only. You are supposed to take the date plus month code. You must take the date is there only, like here the 15 is given. So you must take the 15 is your date plus the month is August is here. So you must take the month code is here. So August का code क्या है 2. So you are supposed to take the 2 is here plus year. The last digit of the 2 year is you have to take. And this is 1947 is there. So last digit क्या है यहाँ पर 47. So you must take the 47 plus. Now the quotient divided by the last 2 digit by 4. इसकी जो लास्ट टू डिजिट है, यू आर सपोज टू डिवाइडेड बाई 4, डिवाइड बाई 4 एंड क्वोशिएंट यू मस्ट राइट डाउन हियर. जस्ट 47 को we will divide by 4, so that is 4 1 जा 4 and 4 1 जा 4. So 11 times it will go is there only. So you must only write the quotient is here. Forget the remainder. Remainder भूल जाइए. Plus century code. Century code देखिए, this is 1947 is there. तो 1947 कहाँ आ रहा है? Here. Because 1900 to 1999 it will be the 0. So your code is 0 is here only. You are supposed to add all these and divide it by 7. 15 August. For the month of the August, you have to take the code. Just remember, learn these code only. In codes को आप learn कर लीजिए. Then plus last digit of the year 47 plus divide these last two digits by the 4. Last two digits you have to divide by 4 and you must write down the quotient is here. So 47 4 1 ja and 4 1 ja is here. Forget the remainder. And plus century code. Century code is here because 1900 to 99 century code is 0. So 0 is here. You must add all these and divide by 7. So you will add this here only 5, 7, 2, 14 and 15 carry 1, 2, 6, 7, 75. So 75 over 7. Now you must divide here only and just write down the remainder. So remainder will be here. You will divide 75 by the 7. Your remainder will come what? 5. Remainder is 5. And 5 day का देखो कौन सा कोड आ रहा? 5 is it is on the Friday. Means Friday is there. It means the on 15 August 1947. ये डेट आप already you know that. 1947 को the 15 August को it was the Friday was there only. And 14 August 1947 पाकिस्तान सेलिब्रेट करता है. So this is on the 15th August 1947 को Friday था. And this is I think is already you know that कि जो हम freedom मिला था वो that is at the 12.05 AM पर. This is the midnight is after the midnight is there only. So if you want to calculate the days there, simple remember date plus month code plus year last two digit you must take plus the last two digits you must divide by 4, then century code divide by 7, whatever comes the remainder you must write down. And remainder को देखिए just where is coming like 5 is here, so that's 5 is for the Friday. So it means on the 15th August 1947 को that was the Friday. Have a look. One more question. Let the 22nd November 2020 को कौन सा दिन था that you want to know. See, simple. Date 22. Month of the code for the November. Code is 3. Plus last two digit of the year. That is 20. Divide the last two digit by the 4. 4 5 ja. Quotient you must write down. Plus century code for the 2000 will be 6 is here. And this is divided by 7. See now what you will get. This is 25 plus 25, 50 and 56 over 7. So your remainder will be here. Remainder will be 0. 7 8 56 is there. So remainder is 0. So 0 is for Sunday. So it means 2 days Sunday. Means on the 22nd November that is there is a Sunday is there. So if any one of the date is given by using this formula and keeping in mind these informations, you can know the days there only. Similarly, one more question we will take. Yes, one more problem we are taking is here only. Like for this one, see now, remember here is, this is 1776 is a leap year is here. Because the last two digit is divided by 4. And this is also the leap year. So we will discuss. And there is a difference between these two. So for this one only, you to know the date. Date is 16. For the July 6. Month code. Year 76. Quotient you must divide it by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 9 ja. 36. And plus century code is 4 is here. And divided by this is 7. So what you will get is here, you must do the sum. So this is 9 plus 15, 19, 19 and this is 25, 31 3, 4, 5, 121 over 7. So you must divide it by 7 is here. 7 1 ja 51, 4. So remainder is 2. And remainder is 2 means that is Tuesday. So that day was used to be a Tuesday here. But in this case only, see, your date 16 for the month of the January is 0. But because it is a leap year is here only, so 0 will change into the 6. So in place of 0, क्या लेना है 6. And then year last 2 digit 20. Divide the last 2 digit by 4. 4 5 jo, plus century code for this 2000. This one is 6 and divided by 7 is here. So this is equal to, you will get this is 42, 42, 48, then 53. 53 is divided by 7. So this is, you will get what? 4. 7 7 49. So your remainder is 4. It means on this date will be 4 is for Thursday. So on the 16 January 2020 used to be a Thursday. Have a look. Yes, now the last topic is here on matching of calendars. Suppose the year 2003 calendar is given and 2014 is there. We want to know they are the same is there only, means दोनों 2003 and 2014 में same calendar is there only. So how can you check is there? They have the same calendar is not. So same week day on 1st January 2003, same day of 1st January 2014 में है. It means both are the same, you can say. Whatever is days for the 1st January 2003, same should be here. And one more point, किसी भी ईयर की फर्स्ट डे में जो भी डेट होता है वही लास्ट 31st December को सेम डे विल बी देयर ओनली. इन लीप ईयर्स में +1 हो जाता है. सपोज ऑन द 1st January फॉर एग्जांपल इज मंडे, तो ऑन 31st in the same year 2003 will be the Monday. If it is leap year is there, तो first में suppose Monday is there only, then if it is leap year is there, तो last day will be the Tuesday. That is +1 is there. See, so we want to check whether they are the same or not. उसके लिए हमें क्या check करना पड़ता है? You have to check the number of odd days. अगर number of odd days is comes 0, then it means both the calendars are same. In 2003 and 2014 both are same is there. How can you check it? कैसे check करेंगे? तो you must check this is 2003 and 2014 में, तो 31st 12 2002 से लेकर के 31st 12 2013 तक you must check is there. So देखिए just see now 13 12 2002 से we will start, then it means 2003 2004 2005 up to 2013 because यहाँ 31st December you are taking on the 2013. Here we are taking 13 December 2002. It means that year is gone, 2003 आ गया. अब now among these three are the leap years and rest of are the ordinary years is here. So leap year is 1, 2, 3. 3 leap years are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the ordinary years. And in leap year, you know the odd days are 2. So 3 into 2 plus. In ordinary, 1 odd day is there. So 8 into 1. So total number of odd days are coming 14. And this 14 is divided by the 7. So remainder coming 0. 0 odd days are there. It means कि whatever will be the calendar in 2003 will be the same in 2014. So likewise you can check whether the calendar is the same or not. Have a look.